Hey, it's Craig. Before we go any further, I want to share something that could change everything for you. It's something I wish someone had told me when I first started affiliate marketing. It would have saved me time, money, and countless late nights questioning if success was even possible. If you've been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or like you're spinning your wheels without results, this video is for you. Because today, I'm walking you through the one strategy I wish I'd known from the beginning. We'll break down exactly how Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 and Toolkit 3. Freedom Toolkit gave me clarity, results, and confidence like never before. These aren't just tools, they're shortcuts designed to take you from a beginner to someone earning consistent commissions step by step. You'll leave this video with actionable steps, real strategies, and the power to start building your path to financial freedom. If your goal is to stop wasting time and start seeing real progress, stick around. 2 years ago, I was in a dark place. I had just drained my savings trying to make affiliate marketing work. I jumped from one shiny program to the next, consumed random advice, and kept hoping the next strategy would finally click. But nothing did. I remember one night vividly, sitting in front of my laptop staring at my empty autoresponder dashboard. No leads, no commissions, no results. The worst part, I had no idea what to do next. If I could go back, I'd tell myself one thing. Start with clarity and the right tools. Not random pieces of advice. Not a dozen subscriptions I didn't understand. But a clear system designed to help me focus on what actually works. That clarity finally came when I discovered Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 and Toolkit 3. Freedom Toolkit. I'll never forget the first time I went through the toolkit. It felt manageable. I wasn't trying to do everything at once or piece together disconnected strategies. It gave me a step-by-step roadmap to follow, and within a few weeks, I made my first $500 in affiliate commissions. That was the light bulb moment for me. I knew that if these tools could work for someone like me who had spent more than a year spinning his wheels, they could work for anyone. Here's what I've learned after years of trial and error. Success in affiliate marketing isn't just about effort or luck. It's about clarity, focus, and using the right tools from day one. When you don't have clarity, here's what happens. You waste time. You try out dozens of random strategies without really committing to any of them. You're busy, but getting nowhere. You burn through money. Subscriptions, courses, and failed experiments add up fast. I wasted more than $4,000 on tools and programs I didn't need. You lose confidence. When things don't work, you start to doubt yourself, wondering if success is even possible. The right tools change that. They give you structure and simple steps that guide you forward, even if you're starting from scratch. That's why Freedom Breakthrough Toolkit 3, Freedom Toolkit are such game changers. They cut out the noise, focus on what works, and give you everything you need to succeed. Now, I want to show you exactly what's inside Toolkit 3, Freedom Toolkit, and how it works with Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. This program is the complete roadmap to affiliate marketing success. It takes you through everything you need to know, from choosing a niche and creating content to building funnels and scaling traffic. When I first started using Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, I was skeptical, but the second I started following its step-by-step plan, things changed. For example, the program taught me how to create funnels that convert without overcomplicating the process. I set up my first funnel using one of the provided templates and had my first lead sign up within 24 hours. Testimonial: Tina from Florida said, Freedom Breakthrough took away all my guesswork. Within 10 days, I made my first $600 in affiliate commissions. Toolkit 3, Freedom Toolkit. Think of Toolkit 3 as your secret weapon. It includes pre-built resources, exclusive discounts, and proven templates to fast-track your progress. These aren't just random add-ons. They're the tools that give you an edge. Here's what's inside. Pre-built lead funnels. I used one of these funnels to start collecting leads, and it saved me weeks of trying to build one from scratch. Proven email swipes. These templates helped me follow up with leads consistently, even when I had no clue how to write emails. Testimonial. John from California shared, I was so overwhelmed trying to build my first funnel, but with Toolkit 3, everything was already done for me. My first lead came in 3 days after using the templates. The beauty of Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 and Toolkit 3. Freedom Toolkit is how seamlessly they integrate. Here's an example of how I use them together to generate consistent affiliate commissions. Step 1, I started with the Freedom Breakthrough training to learn how to target my audience and niche down effectively. Step 2, using Toolkit 3, I set up a lead funnel with an opt-in page offering a free resource to my audience. Step 3, I followed the system to create an email sequence that nurtured leads into buyers. Within my first month of using this stack, I earned over $800 in commissions. It wasn't just luck, it was the system working as designed. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Don't waste time trying to figure everything out on your own like I did. Start with clarity, focus, and the right tools. Toolkit 3, Freedom, Toolkit, and Freedom Breakthrough. 3.0 are those tools. They've been tested, proven, and used by countless marketers to achieve results. Here's what to do next. Download Toolkit 3 using the link below. It includes everything you need to start building your system today. Comment below with your affiliate goals. What's holding you back right now? I read every comment and would love to help. Subscribe for video 2. Next, I'll show you the $7 investment that could have saved me an entire year of wasted effort. This system changed everything for me. Now, it's your turn to take the first step. With these tools, freedom is closer than you think. I'll see you in video 2.